Poppy needs washing sometimes, and we normally put Poppy in the sink. Double that up, because you've not met Dolly yet. So this is Dolly, and she's the devil. Poppy's new friend. Don't let this cute exterior fool you. So to wash these two is an absolute pain. So we're going to fit a shower outside, but inside, but outside. So we're going to be fitting one of these, which is a Bullfinch shower connector for outside. Now, basically, it comes with a hose. The hose then plugs in there and then turns, and you got hot and cold. And then this end has got a sprayer on it. This just connects up to your original water supply. I put a fitting on there, can't get it off, won't come off, it's stuck. Well done, Neil. This is meant to go on the outside of the vehicle, so on your skin, so you've got a shower terminal outside the van. We're going to fit it in a bit of a different place. Anyway, what do you need? Well, obviously you need the shower connection, which you get anyway. It does have two 15mm pipes on it. What you need to do is you need these, which are Whale 15 to 12mm push fits, and they basically just slot on there. I'm not going to put that one on yet because that one's gone on and it doesn't seem to want to come off. So we've got two 15 to 12mm push fits, and then I've got two 12mm angles, two T-connectors to tap into the actual existing pipe, some clips just to go on the ends of these when I put the pipe in, some spare pipe. I've only got blue, so blue will just have to do. We'll use the blue for the hot and the cold. You're going to need a hole saw that big. Don't know what that big is. I'd say 3 inches, possibly, maybe more, don't know, not sure. You're going to need some snippy snippers, a drill, and then most importantly, when you've got all this stuff, you need you. It doesn't fit itself, does it? You know, we can't rely on Emma. She might make a mysterious appearance at some point. Right, so we've decided that the shower is going to go there. Yeah, it's on the back of the sink, but it just means that we can plug it in there. We can stand out here with the dogs and we can actually wash the dogs, or when it's nice and hot, you can wash yourself. Right, before I start messing around inside this cupboard, I'm going to take this door off, because I will guarantee you, and you lot know me by now, I will rip that off in frustration.
I'm going to work.
Look who's turned up.
Come here. No, come here. Come here, quick.
Who?
You.
Oh.
Look
Bye-bye.
here.
Love you. Bye-bye. 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 That's Emma. Bye-bye. Right, back to the cupboard. There is the inside of the cupboard. What I'm possibly going to do is take these two connections off and just tap into the water pipe where they are, and then put the actual unit round about there. So first of all, we need to put the unit in, or mark up where we're going to put the unit in, and then get this bad boy, which is, see, that's the only thing I don't like, is the length of these. Find out where this is going to go, drill through the other side, and then mount this on so this is all secure on the outside of the unit. I think before we actually drill the hole, what we're going to do is we're going to measure what we need pipe wise. So they go in there, and then we need to get these on there, so we need to cut them round about there. That is the only thing I don't like, is the fact that this is so big. It's just a bit of a pain in the ass. So we've got them in. We're going to take our little clips and just push them over there like that. That way they can't come off. I do have inserts comes to go inside these, but they haven't arrived yet, but it'll take 2 minutes just to undo all that and just push them in. So we've got another one there. Oh shit, that's a bit close. And then push this one on there like that. and then that can't come undone. Right, so now we've got our pipes made up, we can push the 15mm to 12mm reducer onto this pipe, and it basically just goes on the end there and you'll hear it snap on. That's it, that's clicked into place. That's not coming loose now. So when we get inside the cupboard, see what I mean? It's just huge. That's not what she said. Anyway, oh, have you seen the knob video? I'll leave a link up there. Check out my knob. Oh, it's beautiful. Right, so this unit needs to go on the outside there, so it's not interfering with any of this inside there. The pipes do stick through quite a lot, but there's going to be 15mm, so it's not going to interfere with this. If it does, we can always move this out the way to here somewhere, so there's no problems. Right, so that's where our pilot holes come through there. Now what we need to do is we need to make sure that we're not interfering with this rubber. So this actual whole unit needs to be, that's not bad, that's kind of in the middle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the main hole round about there, so we are clear of this rubber when we get this unit on. Now to put the unit through there and screw it on the outside. Right, I've had to take these connections off because it wouldn't fit in the hole. Now we've got the connections off, this piece will fit straight through the hole. The unit does come with 4 screws, so I'm going to get them in to get it fixed to the front of the panel. Right, so now we've got this screwed on the front, we can just open it up like that, and then once it's opened up and once it's all connected on the inside, this front piece just literally slots in there and locks on. So we just got to connect these pipes up on the back, plumb it into the main hot and cold water from the inside, and then check there's no leaks, check it works, and that really, fingers crossed, should be it. Right, now what I've done is I've cut these 2 pieces of pipes. The nature of these pipes is they do want to curve round, so that actual curve on the pipe gives us the perfect angle to go into this piece here, and then we've got to get these connected into the pipes, one for the hot and one for the cold, which should be relatively easy. Right, so these are the 2 connections that come off the back of the unit. That's hot and that next one is cold. We've got our 2 water pipes down there, hot and cold. Then we need to get this piece connected to them, and then as you can see, once they're on, the curve is naturally going towards the pipe. What we can do now is we can actually take this retaining clip off, which is there, and then hopefully there will be some water come out, so we'll get ourselves a little cloth. So we just got to push this one in, which you won't be able to see on camera. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take this retaining clip off as well, and we're going to undo this one. So we've now got this middle section of pipe out. What we're going to do now is we're going to disconnect the hot. So they're the 2 pipes that are going to the actual sink. First of all, we need to deal with the cold water pipe, which is going to go to this back one here. So that's going to push on there, and then as you can see, it's going to marry up nice and easy. So we can shorten this one down to round about there. Now that's a bit shorter, that'll connect up to the actual pipe that's going on there. We're going to get a pipe in here and a T-joint, and we're going to use these small pieces to connect them all together. Right, so now we can just push this piece back in there like that, and that just goes in there, pushed in nice and tight, and then this piece can go into this side of the connector, which is just there, and then this piece can push inside to there. Now we just need to connect the cold water up on this side, which is one there, and then we can connect the cold water to the tap. Now we can connect this piece up to the cold water for the actual unit. So we'll get this in first, which is just in there. It's all nice and secure, and then we can connect the 15mm push fit onto there. And that is that all connected. Right, so after me having the pipe in and bending, I thought, do you know what, no, just change it for the sake of getting a couple of angle pieces. Just do it properly, because the other way the pipe was bent and it wasn't very good. Also, I fitted a couple of John Guest stops so we can actually turn the water off with these to the actual shower if we need to. So they're currently in the off position, and it just means that we can isolate the shower from the actual main supply. Yeah, you've got to buy a couple of more connections, you've got to buy a couple of, you know, angles, your 45-degree turns. It just keeps everything straight and neat and tidy, and there's no strain on any of the actual pipes that are in there, so it just makes sense. Right, let's plug this in and see if it works. Take this end, push it in there, there should be a bit of pressure. Oh yeah, you can hear it. And then when you turn this on, now as you can see, that works. And then when you're done with it, undo it, and that's it. That locks fine, no water, no mess, no drama. Don't forget, when you have taken your pipe off, just hold that there and pull your trigger and watch the water come out. That pipe is now empty and can be stored away somewhere safe. One outdoor shower fitted. So now we've installed the shower, this is the perfect time to show you something. We've been sent one of these by Gonex. Now, what is it? Well, when you go to a shower in a campsite, or you want to shower outdoors, or you just want to keep all your stuff in one place, it's a bag for all your shower stuff. Not any old bag though. Not my colour either, but still good. Fully waterproof. Here's the best bit. You're going to be impressed. Look at that. It's got all little sealed units that you can put all your stuff in. Me and Emma just put both of our stuffs in together because we normally shower together in our great big, no we don't, that's a lie. We wouldn't get our asses in the shower, would we? So it can just be hung up when you go for a shower, if you're on a site or somewhere like that. Keep all your stuff in. There's loads of little pockets in it, full storage, and the best thing about it is it spins. It's brilliant, and it's ideal for the pair of us to keep our stuff in. So if you are interested in one of these, I'll leave the links in the description. Full disclosure, Gonex did send it to us, but we will use it, and we are using it, and we have used it, and it does come in handy. Just wish it was a different colour, like black or grey. But anyway, you want to see Liam the Terribles? His is pink. Oh, it matches his eyes. It looks lovely. So I'll leave all the links in the description to the Gonex website, also the Amazon link where you can buy them from. It's from the Gonex people themselves, so it takes you to them. We don't earn nothing from it. It's just we got sent this, and as a thank you, we're doing a little video. But definitely well worth it. You know, motorhome, caravan, holidays, things like that. Just want to hang your stuff up, save taking it out. Perfect. Bloody great they are, bloody great. You want to put one of them showers in the outside of your van. The kit is round about £60. Then you need a few other bits and bobs, so probably around about 70, 75, 70 or £80 in that region. They're not cheap. They're not cheap, but they're kind of convenient. You've got a couple of dogs and you just want to connect the hose outside. Yeah, there's loads of other ways you can do it. We know. You don't have to tell us. There's probably ways you can do it for £3, £5, but that is the Bullfinch way. That's how they do it, and that's how we've done it. So leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up. There will be one person leaves us a thumbs down because we've got a dedicated hater, so thank you. Anyway, right, going now, knobbing off. Catch you later. Whatever you do, do it well. Hopefully there'll be a return of Emma soon. It's coming. See you soon. Have a lovely week.
Bye.